Do you know you can easily create thumbnail for your YouTube video in Canva? So let's begin with it. Just go to Canva and in the search bar type thumbnail, and you have various kinds of Canva templates for thumbnail. You can select anyone that you want that suits your YouTube video. Now if I'm making news, shocking news, you can use this kind of template. Or if you are making a video how to earn money, you can select that kind of thumbnail. Like this, you can select this. Or if you are making videos on travel, you can select this kind of template and customize this. Just select this and customize this template. And if you're making thumbnail for anything else, you can select accordingly. Like this, you can just change the text. Travel vlog, exploring India, you can write exploring Europe. And just and change the text accordingly. You can change the font also here, and you can change the colors if you want. You can change the photo here. It is of the India. You can change the text, you can change the picture and paste any other picture. You can write subscribe now. And your thumbnail will be created in few seconds. So just go to share and download your file, and the file will be downloaded to your system. And when you are uploading a YouTube video, then just select this thumbnail and you have millions of views on your video. So that's it for today's tutorial. Bye bye till then.